We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everybody. Get yourself a coffee. Get addicted to coffee. Q4 is going to change lives. This is the best Q4 ever. It's going to be probably since 2021. Need to be ready. Need to be ready to no sleep days and you know and a lot of opportunities to make some ROIs. Hey, say hi, nice to see you guys waking up. People are not sleeping because of the market. That's amazing. Hello Nico, and hello J Nowak 9. We look on Zebek, we look on many coins, we look on coins you want to put on the radar. This is a monster bull run now. People that watch this channel, watch these updates, the lives are going to be much better than many others. And obviously the ones that are in the VIP will do extremely well and are doing it very well already. Let's look on Zebek. Okay, Zebek, bullish again. It's taking its time. People are stressed. Oh, it's gonna pump today, it's gonna pump tomorrow. Oh, pookie. Man, just give it its time, man, and wait. This is like, Zedek is like a hot girl. Okay, a very hot girl. Okay, let's make a hot girl, like a nice boobies here. Okay, now, very hot girl with a nice bundle as well. Now you met her like a couple of months ago, and you met her, you dated her a few times, but really nothing major. But you're waiting because you see the potential. Okay, you see the potential, and you're waiting. You give her time. She tell you, oh, I'm busy now, I'm doing my masters. Oh, I'm just it's complicated at the moment, but give me time. So you're waiting. But soon, once she's ready, man, you're gonna get some. We're gonna show her where is the banana. We're gonna show her the banana, okay? And the ZBCN will go bananas. Yes, sir. So some things are worth waiting, okay? But the thing is, in crypto, you need to know how to wait, okay? Most people are waiting inside the coin, okay? They wait and they're gonna sit and they, oh. Instead of that, think about the girl example. Instead of waiting for that girl to be ready, if she's ever gonna be ready, date others. Meanwhile, date others. Remember, you need to treat the banana, okay? You know what I mean? You need to go, you need to eat, you need to be happy, you need to live life, you need to thrive and advance, and you need to grow your account. Okay, the account must be grown, especially in Q4. Every day your account is not growing in Q4 is a shame. Is a shame because alt season is here. We'll show you amazing charts. Again, Zebek, we're waiting for the breakout. See, it just consolidated. I think it confirmed the bottom here, the double bottom. Still more work to be done. Still getting rejected here. Pretty annoying, but it is what it is, man. The market is doing what the market is doing. You need to wait for it to break out. Once it's gonna break out, trigger the breakout, it's gonna be a beautiful market for Zebek. At the moment, it's still in this consolidation, and it can stay in the consolidation even through the entire month. I don't think so. I think it's gonna break out probably in the next couple of days, or early October, hopefully. But again, I'm not playing based on my expectation. I play based on what the market is doing. Market's giving me insane trades now, and I'm taking them and I'm sharing it with my VIP. So really, if you wanna print, while you're waiting on your ZBCN bag, let's say you have 50% 50% capital in ZBCN, okay? That's cool, man. Hodl it. All right, that's cool. That's cool. But take the other 50%, all right? Join the membership. We will flip your 50%. Let's say it's like 20K or 30K, okay? We're going to flip it very fast. We can double it, okay? Then once ZBCN break, boom, you're going to throw it in here, okay? Or you're going to keep trading with us the other names while you have your initial investment inside and you're happy camper. All right, so remember, the job is to get ROIs, the window of opportunity. You know, if you look on prior cycles, Bitcoin topped in November last cycle, and last cycle in 2017 it topped in December. Okay, so you know we don't have a lot of time. Let's see what we have. By the way, guys, if you drop a comment, drop a question, drop something. Good day from Australia. How you doing, man? Mr. Dan. Sydney. Are you from Sydney? Oh man, Sydney is lovely. I've been living in Sydney for a while. In my past, my far past, it was a nice. What's the name of the place? Bondi Beach, man. Bondi Beach, legendary place. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And it's true, man. This analogy is true, man. It's so true. You know, you're just waiting for the girl to be ready, horny, hot for you to bang, you know? Because, you know, you can, you know, people wasting time, for example, again, Zebek is in a much better position than other coins, like, let's say, Kaspa. You know, the Kaspa hodlers, they're waiting for their girl to flourish, let's say, or to give them milk. And all she do is just break their heart again and again and again. So, hello, the only one. How you doing? Zebek reach $1. It can. Is it likely? I don't think so. This cycle, maybe next cycle. But you never know, man. You never know. They talking now about stimulus with Trump. Let's look on some stuff on X. Wait, let me share with you the big picture. 1 second. Show you some X nonsense and chart, obviously. X and chart. Where is this stuff? Sorry, man, I'm in my pajama, you know. I woke up like at 5 a.m. today. Can't sleep, man. Can't sleep. All right, look. BNB just broke 1100. Okay, this is major. Okay, BNB. Okay, again, Zebek. This is a Zebek video. Obviously, everything you want to look on Zebek, let me know. I'm making videos on Zebek all the time. And yeah, we're gonna look at it many times more now in this live. But you gotta watch the big picture in the market, the big market. Okay, BNB is a sign now that this is a major bull run. Okay, it just broke to new all-time high, 1,100, sitting nicely above 100, and it's probably gonna continue. Again, for me, BNB is not like, I'm not buying it, I'm not trading it because it's too big. I have BNB proxies that I'm trading, you know, coins that will move with BNB, and they are much smaller in market cap, you know, for more ROI. But BNB for me is a signal that the crypto bulls are here. The Binance buyers are here, whether you talk about Binance itself or the traders on Binance. You know, Binance controlling the majority of the liquidity in crypto. You know, the volume wise, this is the most dominant exchange in crypto. When their token is doing well, life is good. Okay, let's look on BNB. Look, if you look on the BNB chart, BNB, you can see it broke out in like April, kind of have the move in April. Okay, with the Bitcoin. Okay, and now it broke here. That was July. July was nice. July, August, continue September. This thing tell you, hey, altcoins are getting dominant. They're getting dominant, man. And look here, that was in 2024. It had a very nice move in early 2024. And last cycle, man, the BNB exploded from January 2021 all the way till May Okay, but the big move happened January till April. Again, it's probably not gonna do that. You never know, but probably not gonna do that because it's too big now. But that's a sign that BNB is leading the market, man. And at least the large caps, I think it's the first one that going to new high at the moment in October, which is significant. Is significant, sir. This is significant. Good morning, Gloven. How you doing? Gloven, drop below what is the best trade you took in the last 2 days in the membership, man. We had so many, man. We had Soon, XVG, Dash, man, all of them 30-40% gains, all hit, all target, bam, 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 bam. Unbelievable. Brr, brr. Now more USDT for further trades. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. Kaspa hodlers have no common sense. Yes, let's look on Kaspa. Look on Kaspa. Kaspa hodlers, they are just they have the losers mentality. You know, and I said this analogy on the girl in the party. Okay, they are the ones that are staying all night, waiting for the party to be over, so they can catch the girls without the left eye, and the ugly girls that stay all night for them to someone to pick them up when they are completely drunk, so they don't know what they're doing. This is Kaspa. Kaspa is that girl on the party that no one want to grab home, but someone will grab her eventually, and he will regret it. This is the guy. The hodlers, Kaspa hodlers, are these guys at the moment. They were legendary. They were dating, Megan Fox and all the hot birds here, but now they date only ugly girls, and some of them actually doing some nasty stuff, shady stuff. So anyway, man, Kaspa again, Kaspa is cooked for me below this downtrend. If it breaks the downtrend, I might trigger a breakout. I might trigger a breakout trade. But again, honestly, I'm pessimistic. I'm gonna take a breakout, but I'm not really bullish on it because it still have tons of resistance overhead. Tons of resistance. So really, in matter of you need to be filtering coins now. You need to be filtering coins that you want to trade and filtering coins you don't want to trade, or you don't. And even if it's part of your trade, you filter them by like, let's say amount of capital you're gonna put. I'm not gonna go balls deep on this breakout, but on ZBCN breakout, I'm gonna go balls deep. Okay, because it's a different chart. Okay, the ZBCN breakout, it's a continuation trade. It's a continuation trade. The Kaspa breakout is not a continuation trade. Again, the Kaspa possible breakout will be just a break of a downward trend in a bigger bearish market. Okay, this is a downward trend in a bigger bullish market. People just don't understand charts. They don't understand markets. They are baboons, my friend. That's why it's the best time to trade crypto now, because people that know now, it's the easiest market to trade in the world. The easiest, man. Woohoo! Caught the BNB breakout. Congrats. Cubic. Let's look at Cubic. Cubic actually a bit scammy, man. This guy is saying Cubic have a good week. Man, Cubic having a good week. What the hell happened to Cubic here, man? What the hell happened? Why they are selling it so much, man? That's scammy, man. That's scammy. It pulled back all the way to the breakout in July. Yes, I traded it here. It was very nice, strong. But this show you that it's a bit scammy, man. Again, I'm probably gonna buy the breakout of this downward trend on Cubic because I like it. It's very long downward trend. It's beautiful. But what I don't like is this behavior. Okay, this shows you weakness and scamminess. It's not show you power or strength. The strong coins, mate. The strong coins, when the market is pulling back, like we had a pullback August, September on Bitcoin, they don't pull back all the way down. The strong coins stay very high and not pull back all the entire move. Okay, This is cubic is this, okay? You know, this is BNB, for example. You understand? You gotta filter, because the decision you take this quarter will completely reflect how much ROI and cash and, you know, amazing stuff you're gonna take from the market by the end of the cycle, which is coming slowly, my friend, and actually fasty. All right. Good morning. A lot of people are live. Yay. How you doing, guys? Smash the like, subscribe. Do me a favor, guys. If you watch it, please click the like, man. You know, I have like maybe five viewers, you know. Please click the like so YouTube will maybe send us more viewers, you know, for this for our channel, because and yeah, if you click the like, I'm gonna do it very often. I'm gonna do lives very often, because I see that people like it, so I'm gonna do more lives. Yeah, man. John Gloven saying, yeah, Soon and Dash were awesome. DCR also hit all targets very quickly. Yes, unbelievable trade. You saw we nailed the privacy coins narrative. That's why we do well, man. This is the best time, you know, that this is the best market for us that we shine, because there are narratives of coins, sectors of coins that are pumping, and really this is amazing. Let's look on them. Let's look on you know what, we're gonna come back to it later. Let's look on Bitcoin dominance first. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, it's gonna do a big PP, my friend. Bitcoin dominance is gonna do a big nasty PP, and we're gonna be very good. Again, hopefully. Let's look on some momentum here. All right, we have like a double top with a lower high on the daily RSI. Stochastic. Let's look on the 2-day. We needed to cross down, trend down. You see, it's still in the upward layer. But look, the weekly, there is no cross up, so that's very good. It's still in the bear. You know, 2 week is down, and the monthly is down. So we are the altcoin season is, you know, is just gonna escalate. Okay, this was the beginning of the alt season. We told you. If you watch the channel, we told you many times. The beginning of the alt season happened with the ETH breakout and the downward this breakout here. You had the bear flag here that broke, and that was the confirmation. That was the confirmation, bear flag break. Now potentially we're making another bigger bear flag, you know, with the entire little baby here, which will send crypto moon to the moon, like double-digit breakouts in a day. That's the type of crypto market we're looking for, and that's why we trade crypto for this time of the cycle. And I don't get hodlers, really. Why you are hold? Yeah, how can you not trade this market? It's like going to the casino and not gamble. Like, what the effort? Or licking the machines. You know, you go there and just lick the machine. Come on, man. Like it's insane. It's insane. You know. Anyway, that's Bitcoin dumb. Drop some coins, drop some questions. Okay, I'm gonna show you some of the trades we had recently. If you have any questions, drop it now. We're gonna look on them. Look, this is Dash trade by the break of 27.8. Look at that. Look at Dash trade. Okay, so we actually had a little dip buy also today, yesterday, which might work. It looks like it might work. What was the entry? 27.8. Look. This is the entry here, right here, man. 27.8, right here, mate. See here? I'm gonna mark it for you on the chart so you will see. See 27.8. That was our first entry. Bam, max gain 40% in a day. Okay, this is like our 4-hour candles, man. We entered yesterday, or 2 days ago. I think yesterday or 2 days ago. Anyway, entered yesterday and bought a dip yesterday. Bought a dip here. Bought a dip at $30. Might work as well. But again, that's how you run, man. That's how you. This is a breakout, okay? Look at Dash, man. Man. I don't actually, man. I'm gonna give you free alpha for all the ones that are, you know, watching the channel, watching the live, man. Please do me a favor, smash the like. I'm gonna give you free alpha now that you never saw in your life. Really. This you can buy now. Again, it's not a financial advice. If you were a crypto, let's say a random guy, and you want to trade something, again, if you buy something like this, for example, again, hypothetically speaking, okay, you want to put your stops, okay, right, or you want to do 2 stops, okay. Let's say you throw here, let's say the hypothetical guy will throw here 5K, okay, and then or 10K, and then it will put it stops here. Again, depends on the capital you have. Let's say you have 100K total capital, so you throw here, let's say 5K, okay, 5K. You don't want to risk too much, okay. Then you put 31 here, it stops at 31, and first stop and another stop at 29. If it pumps, obviously, start pumping, okay, you take some profits all the way up, okay. Obviously, every trade we share in the membership, we have our stops, we have our take profits targets, and we leave runner. Runner is part of the position. We let it go because this is the time of the cycle when coins will do 10x, 20x's, and 50x's and 100x's in a month. Okay, so you want to leave runners because these runners, you know, sometimes they are 20% of the bag, sometimes they are 50% of the bag. If they do a 10x, you know, even if you do a 10x on 1K position, that's a big move for the account. Okay, so again, that's our approach. There are many ways to trade. There are many strategies. That's my approach. That's been working for me for the last 8 years, and I love it. And that's how it makes me sleep in the night. Okay. Again, so yeah, Dash could be amazing trade. Look at Dash. I'll show you the big picture, man. People don't understand. People don't understand where they are now. You know this. Look at Dash, man. This is a weekly picture. Okay, look at this, man. Look at this breakout. Are you kidding me? It's in a breakout now of the 9-month base you have here. That was your base for something around 7 months. See the base? That's the base. We bought the breakout of the base. That's where we excel. We buy bases, breakouts, long-term bases, and that's where we print. We print, and that's the best time to buy and also leave a runner because you can safely hodl. They're not going to pull back into the base. Usually, the best movers never pull back into the base. They just go. All right, now look at Dash, man. Look at Dash big picture, okay? Again, I'm not calling for it to go to the moon. I'm just saying this is a coin that it's probably going to do very well. It's a privacy coin. Privacy coins are looking extremely well, and they are the ones that pumping the best now. Just saying, again, this could be a trade idea, not a financial advice. What else do we have here? Did you take Zcash? What do you think about it? No, I missed Zcash. I took all the other meme privacy coins. I missed Zcash. You know what, man? I actually took Zcash. You know, when I took Zcash, we took Zcash here, man. We took Zcash. It went up, hits our targets, then it pulled back. You see here, and that was like Bitcoin was not. I was not sure Bitcoin going up. Bitcoin gonna poop the party. It was looking. The market was very shitty, man. The market was very. It's always like this before the alt season. So it shook me out. Then it ripped without me, and I had an opportunity to enter here, but I was not on the charts. I missed that. And then once it went. But Zcash, again, I said it also in the last live yesterday. So make sure to click the like, man, because what I'm saying in the lives are priceless, man. Are fucking priceless. Will change life, change life, man. Really. I told people, hey, Zcash is pumping. Zcash is the privacy coin market leader. All right. We have a privacy coin hype. I thought to myself, hey, let's buy privacy coins. We bought 4 privacy coins 2 days ago. All of them hit 40. 3 of them actually had a 30% run up, hit all our targets, 30 to 40% run up, and one of them is actually cooking, slowly going up very beautifully. All right, so that's how you trade. That's one aspect of trading, narrative or sector trading. Okay, this is something no one teaching and no one knows how to do it in crypto because they are all clowns. They buy random nonsense based on their fundamental research that is worth like my toilet paper, you know, in the toilet, you know, it's have no value. Sol and XRP, please. Okay. 1 second. I'm just gonna look on them. I'm just gonna look at them 1 second. Do me a favor, smash the like, guys. Smash the like. I'm just gonna look for a second. Where is my? Never mind. Sol looking good. Sol looking good. We'll see. I might buy the breakout here of 250 area-ish, but I'm probably not gonna buy because I have XRP. You know, I have XRP and other large caps I'm more bullish on. But again, if I see it starting to go now, you know, and take the high, I'm buying. But for me, maybe it's gonna be a little annoying, you know, it come here, chop, maybe chop, you know, because there is still resistance here. So for me, again, XRP also have resistance, but I prefer XRP. Prefer XRP because XRP have a pattern that breaking now. Okay, so it's like a pattern breakout, and I prefer breakout trades. You know, so for me, that's a beautiful breakout trade. Again, just my 2 cents. It's still on the breakout point, consolidating at the breakout point. Hopefully, it's not coming back down below the. Am I on log scale? This is the normal, I think. Yeah. Is it the normal? 1 second, man. 1 second. Yeah. All right. So look, yeah, XRP. I told you, man. It's very. I'm bullish on it. I'm expecting it to go to the moon once it clear the last high. This coin will go. I don't know. We'll see, man. We're gonna have a lot of all-time high breakout trades. That's the best time of the market. That's breakout traders gonna do the best, gonna do the most, and gonna do the best in this market. You know, if you don't buy in breakout, if you don't know what to buy breakout, you're a baby boy, man, with a diaper. That's what you do. That's what you are, man. Really. Sorry, man. Dump is coming. Okay. Keep waiting for a dump in a bull market. Keep waiting for a dump. Smash the like, subscribe. Smash the like. Oh yeah. Professional clowns, man. What else? Do you have any other question here? Oh, let me show you a trade we took also, man. That was amazing trade, and it's still going well. Soon, look at soon. This, by the way, giving you an alpha. This is a layer 2, I think, on Solana. Something like it's doing with Solana. Some stuff. Go check out the fundamentals. You know, on Twitter. Maybe we're gonna look at the Twitter as well. Look at that. We bought it at 40 cents. Look at soon, man. This could be a mega gem. This could be a gem from the moon, man. Look at this. Gem from heaven. Look at the chart. That was our breakout. 40, we bought it. Actually, it wasn't a breakout, just aped into it. Up on it, max gain as well, 40%. And it's probably gonna continue. It should continue. Just yesterday, it had a 40% candle. Now look at soon, man. Again, join the VIP, man. Every day you're not in the VIP, man, you're losing money. You're talking about one shirt in Zara or like one pair of shoes for a month, man. You get yourself the best membership in the world for trading crypto, especially in this altcoin season breakout trading environment, man. You have no idea what you're missing. Look at soon, man. Like my members are so happy, man. They're like in shock. They're in shock, man. They're in shock. Soon, look at soon. This coin, it's on Solana. You can see here. And let's look on their X. You can see what they say they're doing. Solana Optimistic Network. It's a layer 2 on Solana. Something like that. Anyway, there is a hype on Sol now. There is a potential ETF coming. There is the big companies that are buying Solana. There is another little Michael Saylor, baby Saylor con artist for Sol. You have these baby con artists for Ethereum, the Tom Lee one. They are all like clowns that are buying, with their company, big buyers of, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and now Solana step into the party as well. So this coin, again, I don't know. It's related to Solana. It's a very small cap. You can see it's only 140 mil. No one is talking about it. No one knows it. No one knows of its existence, man. You saw it here now once live. And yeah, man, enjoy. Zebek. Go back to the beginning of the video, man. We talked 10 minutes on Zebek. 10 minutes was amazing. We're going to look at it more. 1 second. If you have a specific question, we're going to look at it for sure. Look on Crow. Dan Sydney. Oh, man. Look, Crow, man, had a very beautiful pump. Insane pump now. Like really now, really recently, okay? In August. You don't want to waste your time on this garbage, okay? You don't want to waste your time on this garbage because it can take its time. Again, it can also do this, but it's not likely, in my opinion, just in my opinion. When they do this topping tail here, see this very long topping tail and sell off after, they usually need time. So or it's going to go down further, probably not, or it's going to consolidate for a while. Build a base for it, and then it needs some sideways. After this pump and dump here, you need sideways to reset the market and also show buyers, hey, we're not dropping anymore. And then they start buying. We're buying, we're not dropping anymore. And then now, rubbish, man, it's a complete waste of time. It's also actually high risk to be in Crow because it can go down or sideways and not make you ROI. Why the hell you want to be in this garbage, man? That's a garbage coin. It was amazing trade in August, man. I actually traded it, but I missed that pump. I got shaken out before that because of the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is made our life miserable. But man, you don't want to waste your time on Crow now, really. You have many other coins that looks much better. And this coin might be cooked for a while. But I'm keeping an eye on it. It's on my radar, but it's not on my buy list. Rubbish for me. Rubbish. Guys, do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe. Do me a favor, smash the like. I have like 10 viewers, man, in the live usually. If you give me a like, I might get 12. So really, this is significant for me. Smash the like, man. Smash the like and drop a question. Also share it on your X. Follow me on X. By the way, for everybody, if you want to join the VIP, scan the QR code, and drop the, if you want to pay with crypto, by the way, you can send me an email. You have the email running below. We take crypto, and we have 25% off if you pay on the website, you can get 25% off with the coupon summer sale at checkout, man. Join VIP now for 4 months, man. Will change your life. Join CM, that's me, CM VIP, or if you want to get all my trade alerts, my market updates, man, we are going to print. That's what I'm doing now, all in, no live, maybe a little bit live in the weekend, but no live, only looking for opportunities for members to print before the bear market. We got another 1 month, maybe 2 months, in my opinion. That's it. That's the time to print. Later, it's going to be too late. All right, what this guy's saying? ZZ. All right. ZZ top. Man, it have no chart. It's only probably on DEXs. It's on DEXs. Yeah, it's on Ray. ZZ Sol. So for me, I'm not trading coins on DEXs. They're crap for me. I'm a trader. I don't trade on DEXs. There's no chart, man. Sorry. Let's look on this rubbish on the. What is this? What is this nonsense, man? What is this? Yeah, man, it's pumping, but it's all rug pulls, man. They are all rug pulls, and it's on Solana DEX. You cannot really check out the data. It can be a complete rug pull. Maybe it's one baby with pimples buying this nonsense with $5 account, and let's say you buy 5K. You will move the market completely higher. or if you want to sell 5K, you will crash the market. That's a coin for baby. No, not for baby coins. Baby coins, nah, man, not for me, man. What? I have ZBCN. Why you're so salty, man? Go get a napkin and wipe your eyebrows or eyes, man. You sound salty as fuck. Why don't you have ZBCN and keep on shilling it? I have ZBCN first, and I can keep on shilling in much more, as much as I like, because, man, I'm a ZBCN trader and maxi. I trade ZBCN. It was one of my best trade this year so far. We traded it here, not like you bought the top. Traded it here, made filthy money. Show you the trade. Where's my trade? ZBCN, you can see. That's how you do it. ZBCN, you can see that's the date here. Where is my date here? Here, May 19 of May. Bought some. All my members bought it. We printed. Bought some at 1.9 and tripled the size on 2.1, man. You see here? That was our entry, man. While you were crying for your mommy, looking for picket money, you know? That was our entry. 2.1 and 1.9. Show you on the daily chart, man. Professional snipers, man. 2 entry, 1.9, 2.1. Rode it, exploded our accounts, 200% and max gains, man. On the second entry, first entry was 200%. Since that trade, I'm a ZBCN maxi and lover. Obviously, we cashed out once it broke here. Cash out everything. All right, we're not like you holding coins, you know, marrying coins, and then you end up losing all your hair, all your manhood, and crying for your mommy why you get pimples on your bum hole. Okay, we're here for making ROI consistently. That's what we do. Join the VIP to change your life or stay miserable like you are forever. Now, that since here, you know, I'm a ZBCN maxi, mate. You don't like it? F off the channel, man. I don't need you, man. I have 12 people watching my channel. If I have 11, it's not gonna kill me. You know what I mean? Anyway, for me, I'm buying the breakout here, and I bought some here, man. And I tried to catch a bottom here as well, and I closed it because it failed. Now I bought some recently with the members a little bit. We're gonna go balls deep here. That's what's gonna happen, man. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Keep on shilling it. Ooh, such a baby boy, my goodness. Find the life, man. What the fuck, man? Gaming fine sector. Well, it's still rubbish, man. It's not really doing anything. And now it's the privacy, but some gaming coins are cooking on my watch list, but nothing really wow, you know? Nothing really wow. Ooh. Opinion on AVAX, Aptos, and Sui. Guys, do me a favor, smash the like, share it on your ex, please. Do me a favor, man. We need some likes, please. Okay, give us some likes, man. That's all we need. AVAX. Look on AVAX. AVAX is cooking. Had a big dip here. Cooking, probably gonna take some time till it break out. Once it break out higher, I'm probably gonna take a stab on it. I like AVAX. I'm a fan of AVAX. But again, it's already it's not a market leader. It's not a market leader. So at the moment, so I'm not really AVAX. You know, I have other coins that are. I trade market leaders, man. I don't trade the. But obviously, I'm gonna trade it because I'm gonna trade it once it break out. Again, probably if I will have capital. If I'm not gonna be all in on ZBCN or other mega trades, you know. This one is, you know, it's what else do you say? It's AVAX, Aptos. Why the f are you buying Aptos, man? Are you want to lose all your money, man? You know what? Maybe this will work. Maybe it's a type of a bottom here. But again, this thing is look on the weekly. You see the weekly 50-week MA? See the 50-week MA? That's trouble. Break above it, maybe, but still, why to buy? Look at this coin. Yaks, man, yaks. You know what is yaks? Lower high, lower high, lower high. You are in a bull market. Why the F are you buying rubbish, man? Man, quit crypto. Quit crypto. Stop buying rubbish. Donate your capital to people in need, to people, struggling to survive, instead of giving it to the market. The market gonna cook you, man. You buying this crap? Really? AVAX, APT, and what else did you want to look? Sui. Sui? Is it Sui? Sui. Yeah, Sui is better. Look, AVAX from the free it gave are the best, in my opinion. APT is garbage, man. I will not give it to my enemies. Absolute dog poop. Again, at the moment, maybe it will change later. Sui, holding here. You can see holding nicely above the 50-week, making higher lows. But still, it's a bit, it's a lagger now. It was a winner last year. It was a big winner, one of the biggest winner of the cycle of the last year. Bull run actually was the market leader in September, but since then, man, someone took a big PP on it, and you can see the PP, they PP on Sui here, and the big PP here, and then another one here, like PP. Again, if it breaks the PP man resistance right here around the 4 or 5, I'm gonna trade it. Now I'm watching it again. I'm gonna leave you the privilege to hold these garbage coins while I trade coins that look like this. Okay, like this. Okay, bam, and they're gonna go higher, like this, which will go higher. Look at the breakout, man. With my breakout. Oh, well, this market is cooking. Yeah, woohoo! This market is cooking. Drop a like, subscribe. Drop a like, subscribe. Oh yeah, IP is now cooking, man. Is now cooking. I'm probably gonna share a trade for the members very, very soon. You know what? Wait a second. I'm just gonna share a trade for the members. Give me a second to just drop this screen. Where's the screen? Yeah, if you meanwhile while I drop in the trade for the members on IP or other names, can join VIP, man. We have trades coming all the time. It's an amazing market now. 1 second, I just have to share this trade, man. Woohoo! Smash the like, subscribe. Smash the like, subscribe, man. Sorry, guys, gotta work, Members need trades. I have so many trades, man. It's insane, man. The trades are coming, man, non-stop. Gotta rotate the gains. Rotate the gains, my friend. Woo, that's nice. Anyway, it might pump. I'm just gonna share it, and I'll be right with you guys. I'm gonna share it, man. 1 second. Tiki. Drop a question, drop a like. I'll be right there. All right, what do we have here? What do we have? Let's see. Tiki. Let's look on ZBCN. People love ZBCN. Woohoo. All right. They are in love. Zebek. Okay. What do we have here in the comments? Oh my God, this guy join VIP, man. Scan the QR code, change your life. Stop marrying rubbish. I got married with QNT and ZBCN for long-term staking. Oh, and be nice. No one likes a potential prick. Just saying. Okay, don't cry, sir. No need to cry, man. We just want to trade, man. No need to cry. ZBCN is cooked. Too many people saying, yes, could be, Mr. Mike. Could be. I disagree. But you are right with many people eyeing it. But what you're not right is the dominant trend. The dominant trend is strong. I think it have another juice in the pipe, you know. Now, this guy is saying, wait until April is safe to accumulate ZBCN and don't be afraid to stake. What? Until April, you mean 2026? Oh boy. You don't know what is the bear market, eh? Completely clueless, man. The bear market will humble you. Stop talking shit, Mike. Nico is a ZBCN maxi. Flare. Yeah, we look at it in a second, man. CBOS 2025 says ZBCN new blue chip in its infancy. What is CBOS, man? Why do you need to listen to clowns, man? What is this nonsense? Never stake. You never know when it's going to take off. You won't be able to sell. Exactly. Mr. Sydney knows. Listen, once they're going to start with the staking or the top is in, okay, if we're talking about, for example, ZBCN or any coin, once they start with the staking, or the top is in, or the top is very, very soon. Very, very soon. That's whales are using these staking benefits to lull in all these naive baby boys, baboons that say, "Oh, I'm just gonna stake. I'm gonna throw 10K, stake it, and get filthy rich." No, you're not. You're gonna get filthy poor. Then they lock their coins, and then the whales are just selling all their coins and to these guys that are buying for the staking. Then you create a parabolic top and bye goodbye, and it's cooked for many, many years. And some coins that start with the staking, they never come back. So really, actually, if they're talking about staking ZBCN, you don't want it to stake. You don't want staking ZBCN because that's a problem. It's create inflation in the coin, and it's very bad for the future of the coin. Very, very bad. You don't want staking, man. Listen to Mr. Sydney. Enjoy the altcoin season. Yes, sir. Enjoy the altcoin season. Don't waste it. No cry, just saying. All right, man. No worries, man. Yeah, man. Well, look, yeah, man. Look, ZBCN again. ZBCN will pump. At the moment, it's taking its time. It's trying to confirm a bottom here. Then you need to confirm a breakout of the downward trend. In my opinion, it might take another couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe even more. I think couple of days or weeks, man. Maybe. Now, once it's gonna break, I'm gonna trigger a big trade. I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna share a trade with my VIP. Till that happen, man, we are busy making dineros. While people that hold in that ZBCN, they're wasting all this money making opportunities because they are in love with the coin. And hey man, you know, this looks like a double bottom to me, but you never know. If Bitcoin take a dump now, it can break bearish, you know. So, you know, People don't manage risk, they don't know how to trade, and they're gonna miss out on all the beautiful trades that are coming into crypto now. And there are many trades that are coming. So really, if you're serious about crypto trading and investing, join VIP, man. Join VIP, man. Change your life. Change your life forever. Stop being a baboon hodler. Become a trader. Become a businessman. Become a profit maxi. Become a sniper, trader, professional, cold-hearted trader. Bam, bam. Nothing matters. Only ROI. What else do we have here? Bro, I don't need all this data bullshit. Man, all I need is the chart. Chart tells me when to buy, chart tells me when to sell. That's why I nailed the breakout in May like a professional mofo champion, and you probably not. Okay, that's the difference between us. You focus on clown dog shit. I focus on alpha money. I focus on the money. I follow the money. You follow all the rubbish fluff. That's why we are different. You are a baby baboon clown. We are traders, man. We're here for the money, only for the money, man. Cheers, mate. Why staking? Just trade a sucker. It's crypto. Exactly. We'll wrap it up with that. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe, share it on your X. Have a good day. Cheers. Join VIP now, man. This will change your life. The VIP will effing change your life. In the last couple of days, we already had 40% movers, 30% movers, 20% movers since the October 1st breakout. Unbelievable market. Things are going to go out of hand. Madness. Don't waste this time. Don't waste this bull market holding coins that are not moving. You gotta be, if you want to hold few coins, cool, but have capital for trades. Have 50% of your account for trades that will rip, make you ROI, and then you rotate the gains into or new trades or to your favorite coins that you're holding. Then you have more capital in them. Be smart, be professional. You're gonna come up winner. Be a clown like the babies that are following rubbish. You're gonna lose everything. This market will wipe you, cook you, and completely destroy all your life and all your financials. Cheers.